Hello dear student, now I am back again here. Today we will learn LCM by division method. In my previous video I taught you how you can find LCM by prime factorization method and the difference between SCF and the LCM by the prime factorization method. Okay, I hope the difference between SCF and LCM is clear to you. Now today you will learn finding LCM by division method. Okay, the difference between prime factorization method and the division method is that in the prime factorization you are finding the prime factors by separate 16. You will find the prime factor of 16 and the 24 separately. But in the division method you will find prime factorization of 16 and 25 by together. Okay, this is the main difference between prime factorization, LCM by prime factorization and division method. So let's start. In the first question we have to find the LCM of 16 and 24. So see here, first we will find the prime factorization of 16 and 24. So we will take 16 and 24 together. In the prime factorization method we are finding the prime factorization by separating 16 and 24. बट यहाँ पे हम एलसीएम दोनों का साथ प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन दोनों का साथ में निकालेंगे. नाउ एज वी कैन सी हियर 16 and 24 both are the even numbers, so both are divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16 and 2 12s are 24. Okay, now again 8 and 12 both are the even numbers, so they are divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Okay, now again both are the even numbers, so divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Now as you can see here 2 and 3 both are the prime numbers, तो दोनों ही अपनी टेबल से डिवाइड होंगे. तो फर्स्ट वी विल टेक here 2 because 2 is a smaller than 3, तो हम स्मॉलर नंबर पहले लेते हैं. 2 1s are 2 and 3 as it is because 3 is not divisible by 2. Now we will take 3 1 as it is. 3 1s are 3. Now we get 1 1 in the end. So now here our prime factorization is complete. Okay, now this is our prime factorization of 16 and 24. Now LCM is not complete here. अभी तो हमने सिर्फ prime factors निकाले. Now finding the LCM we will multiply these prime factors. 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2 and 3. Okay, now we will multiply these number. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 3s are 48. So our LCM is 48. Okay. Similarly, this same step we will follow for our next question. Our next question is 40 and 32. We have find the LCM of 40 and 32. The same step, 40 and 32 both are the even numbers, so it is divisible by 2. 2 40s are 40, 2 20s are 40 and 2 16s time is 32. Okay, now both are the even numbers, so it is divisible by 2. 2 10s are 20, 2 8s are 16. Now again 10 and 8 is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Okay, now 5 is a prime number, so it is divisible by only 5. बट अभी हम यहाँ पे 5 नहीं लेंगे क्योंकि जो 4 है हमारा ये अभी हमारा 2 से डिवाइड हो सकता है एंड 2 इज अ स्मॉलर देन 5. हमें यहाँ पे स्मॉलर नंबर पहले लेना होता है, तो 5 हम एज इट इज उतार देंगे एंड 2 2s are 4. अगेन वी विल टेक 2 बिकॉज 2 इज अ स्मॉलर देन 5. 5 हम एज इट इज उतार देंगे. 2 1s are 2 एंड द लास्ट वी विल नोट डाउन 5 here. 5 1s are 5. नाउ अगेन 1 1s is come here, so prime factorization is complete here, and these are the prime factorization of 40 and 32. For finding the LCM, we will multiply these prime factors. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 5s are 160. So our LCM of 40 and 32 is 160. Okay. Next is 20 and 25. We have to find the LCM of 20 and 25. So same thing, we will find the prime factor of 20 and 25. Then we will multiply prime factors. Okay. नाउ यहाँ पे आपको एक चीज ध्यान देने वाली बात है कि 20 एंड 25 दोनों ही 4 से डिवाइड हो जाएंगे। हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं इसको, 4 5s are 20, sorry 20 and 25 both are the divisible by 5. 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. But no, we will not do this. हम इसको नहीं करेंगे. As we know, 5 is a prime number. और यहाँ पे हमें prime number ही लेना होता है. This is correct. But 5 is not a smallest number here. 5 यहाँ पे smallest नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि जो हमारा 20 है वो हमारा 2 से डिवाइड हो सकता है. 2 10s are 20. 25 नहीं हो सकता. इट्स ओके. 25 को हम एज इट इज उतार देंगे. बट अगर एक भी नंबर हमारा किसी स्मॉलर नंबर से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो हम वो स्मॉलर नंबर ही लेंगे. ओके तो 2 10s are 20 और 25 एज इट इज. अगेन देखिए 20 एंड 10 एंड 25 दोनों ही 5 से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं. बट वी विल नॉट टेक 5. हम क्या लेंगे अभी भी यहाँ पे 2. 2 5s are 10 एंड 25. अब हमारा 5 एंड 25 डिवाइड नहीं होगा किससे? 2 से. 3 से भी नहीं होगा, 4 से भी नहीं होगा. किससे होगा? अब सीधे 5 से. तो नाउ 5 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर हियर जिससे 5 और 25 डिवाइड हो सके. 5 1s are 5 and 5 5s are 25. Again we will take 5, 1 as it is, 5 1s are 5. So these are the prime factorization of 20 and 25. So these are the prime factorization of 20 and 25. So we will multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 and 25s are 100. So our LCM is 100. Now similarly you have to find the LCM of 24, 36 and 40. Okay, so what you will do? Same step. First you have to find the prime factors of 24, 36 and 40. 2 12s are 24, 2 18s are 36, 2 20s are 40. 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Now again 6 and 9 both are the divisible by 3. बट आप यहाँ पे 3 नहीं लेंगे क्योंकि 6 और 10 अभी भी 2 से डिवाइड हो सकते हैं. तो वी विल टेक 2 हेयर. 2 3 just 6. 9 डिवाइड नहीं होगा तो 9 को हम एज इट इज उतार देंगे. 2 5s are 10. नाउ 2 से तो कोई डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता बट 3 से हो सकता है. तो 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 5 नहीं होगा तो 5 को हम एज इट इज उतार देंगे. अगेन वी विल टेक 3, 1 एज इट इज, 3 1s are 3. 5 डिवाइड नहीं होगा तो 5 को हम एज इट इज उतार देंगे. नाउ 5 1s are 5, sorry 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 5 1s are 5. So these are the prime factorization of 24, 36 and 40. We will multiply these prime factorization. What we get? We get 360. So LCM of 24, 36 and 40 is 360. Similarly you can find the LCM of 24, 48 and 60. First you will find the prime factorization of 24, 48 and 60 together. Then you will multiply these prime factorization and you will get 240. Okay. The next you have to find the prime factorization of 48, 72 and 108. Okay. How you will find? मैं आपको इसको करके दिखाती हूँ. 48, 72 and 108. As we can see here, these three numbers are even numbers. So तीनों ही number 2 से divide होंगे. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 72 को अगर आपको नहीं पता कि डिवाइड करके क्या आएगा तो आप डिवाइड करके देख सकते हैं जिसका भी आपको नहीं पता. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. तो हमारा कितना आ रहा है? 36. For 108, 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. अगेन तीनों हमारे इवन नंबर्स हैं तो डिवाइड हो जाएंगे 2 से. 2 12s are, 2 18s are, 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. Now dear student, 12, 18 and 27 these three numbers are divisible by 3. बट हम 3 नहीं लेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि अभी 12 और 18 2 से डिवाइड हो सकते हैं. तो we will take 2 here. 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18 and 27 as it is because 27 is not divisible by 2. Now 6, 9 and 27 तीनों ही नंबर 3 से डिवाइड हो सकते हैं बट वी विल नॉट टेक 3 हेयर बिकॉज अभी जो ये 6 है ये 2 से डिवाइड हो सकता है. 2 3 जा 6, 9 as it is, 27 as it is because 9 and 27 is not divisible by 2. Okay. Now, अब देखिए 3, 9 and 27 इनमें से कोई भी 2 से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता, तो we will take here now 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 9s are 27. Now again we will take 3 here because 3 is a smaller number here. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3. So this is the prime factorization of 48, 72 and 108. When you will multiply these prime factorization, you will get 432 as a LCM. Okay, so the LCM of 48, 72 and 108 is 432. I hope LCM by division method is clear to you. Now dear student, you have to try this question by yourself. You have to find the LCM of 12 and 16, 14, 21 and 28, 48, 180, 148. मैंने आंसर्स यहाँ पे लिख दिए हैं ताकि आप जब कर लें तो उसके बाद अपना आंसर चेक करें कि आपका आंसर भी यही आ रहा है या नहीं. ओके, थैंक यू.